In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to check your Roblox password. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the More page. Once you're over here, different options will appear. Navigate to the option settings. Now head over to the option Account Info. Now here you're going to find the option Password. Click on that. You're going to get this kind of pop-up, current password, new password, and confirm. Within Roblox account, you won't find the option to check the password, but you are able to change your password. To view your Roblox password, you'll need to check your saved passwords on your device. For that, navigate to your app library and then search for passwords. Launch it. You'll be prompted to use your Face ID. You'll be directed to this page. Now click on the option All. Here you're gonna find list of website along with their password. Scroll down and navigate to the website Roblox. Once you find it, click on it. You'll find the username likewise the password. Remember, this only works if you have already saved your Roblox password on your device. If it was not saved, you won't be able to view it here and you may need to reset your password instead. And that's it. That's how you check your Roblox password. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.